If you're using AI the way most people are using it right now, you're already behind. I'm Conaugh. I run an AI agency called OASIS, and I have 5 other brands by myself. I've been quiet for a long time, but what I'm seeing happen right now feels too important to keep to myself. So this is me opening up. I'm not going to pretend to have all the answers. I just have a perspective, and I think it's one some of you need to hear. AI is moving faster than people can think. Not in 5 years, right now. The AI I'm using today didn't even exist 18 months ago. And the AI we'll be using 18 months from now, most people can't even picture. People are reacting to this in one of 2 ways, and both of them are wrong. The first group is frozen, terrified, doom scrolling, so scared that they can't move. The second group is worse, headed in the sand, saying things like, "My job is safe, accountants will always be needed, teachers can't be replaced." That's not analysis, that's pride and ego. If you think your job is safe right now, you haven't actually looked at what's already shipping. You're not analyzing, you're hoping, and hoping is not a strategy. It's not just AI. Quantum computing is coming. 5 years, maybe sooner. And when that hits, AI doesn't just get faster, it starts solving problems we can't even frame yet. That's going to change everything. Politics, economics, identity. UBI stops becoming a Twitter debate and becomes a real conversation. I'm not telling you this to scare you. I'm telling you this because you don't have the luxury of being asleep right now. None of us do. I wrote something a while back, wasn't planning to share it, but it says everything I'm trying to say better than I can on the fly. So I'm just going to read it to you. AI proves something that most people aren't ready to accept. Nothing meaningful is solved alone. The only way to truly solve complex problems is through coordination, through systems of specialized intelligence, each focused, each precise, working in alignment towards a single outcome. That's what sub-agents are. That's why they work. And that's what humans were supposed to be good at. Not isolation, not competing without purpose, but operating as a collective, disciplined, aware, and aligned. That's where our so-called civility comes from. Not weakness, not politeness, but structure, purpose, higher order. Somewhere along the way, we lost that. We drifted into distraction, into temptation, greed, ego, and doubt. We built a world that is both beautiful and dangerous, full of opportunity and decay at the same time. And because of that, you don't get the luxury of being asleep. You have to be sharp. You have to be intentional. You have to take responsibility for your actions. Stay grounded in something higher than yourself. Move with discipline. Treat people with respect, but don't confuse respect with passivity. Be patient, be collaborative, be understanding, but don't carry resentment. It slows you down more than anything else. Choose to move forward, always. Respect your elders, but understand this clearly. The world you're stepping into is not the one that they prepared for. The rules are changing, the systems are evolving, and there is no predefined path waiting for you to follow. You are responsible for building it. So ask yourself, why are you still hesitating? Why are you still doubting what you are capable of? You already know what needs to be done, so get up, move. If you're not getting better every single day, honestly better, measurably better, then stop lying to yourself about direction. Direction isn't intention. Direction is velocity. You don't walk towards the life you want. You run. And once you start, you don't slow down. You don't drift. And you don't stop. Now, I know that was very heavy, but I needed you to hear it before I showed you what I'm building. It's called OASIS. It's exactly what the name says. A place. A place where people scared of AI can actually come and use it without being sold to, without being left behind, without needing to be technical.